Hey there, guys. Chet here. A professional email signature makes your business look completely legitimate to new prospects and gives your buyers a quick way to find your website and contact information. Pipedrive allows you to build a beautiful custom signature right inside of your workspace. So, here in this video, I'll show you exactly how to make a cool email signature in Pipedrive really fast. Now, you'll need a Pipedrive account to follow along. So, if you don't have one, there's a special link in the description. If you click that link, you'll get a 30-day free trial with all the features unlocked instead of the standard 14 days. And if you decide to keep using it after the trial, the discount is applied automatically when you sign up through my link. That means you'll be using the same powerful Pipedrive for less than what everyone else pays. And by the way, if you want to master this tool completely, we've also put together a full Pipedrive course from A to Z, walks you through everything step by step, and it's totally free. Now, to create your signature in Pipedrive, navigate to the left menu and click on the mail icon called Sales Inbox. This area handles all of your daily communication with your active leads. After clicking the Sales Inbox page, it will open on your screen. Once you're inside or once you're on the Sales Inbox page, navigate to the top left and click on the plus new email button. This will open a blank message window where you normally type out your emails. After that, navigate to the very bottom of that window and click on Select Signature. That's an icon located near the formatting tools. Once you click on the Select Signature tool, a pop-up window will open. Now, you normally select the email signature added for your email addresses right here. As we do not have any signatures added for this specific email yet, you need to click the Manage Email Signature button. The email sync page will open immediately. Navigate down to the signature section and click the plus add signature tab. A pop-up called Add Email Signature will appear. Enter the signature name first so that you can organize multiple options. Then enter the text content that you want to appear in your standard signature. You can include your job title, direct phone number, physical office address, whatever you like. If you would like to add an image such as your company logo, click on the three dots on the pop-up window. Click the image icon from the menu after clicking on those three dots. Now, select the file you want to upload from your computer. A visual logo instantly makes your emails look much more professional. After inserting the image, you can resize it either by using the default sizing options or by dragging and dropping the corners. Next, you'll probably want to include a hyperlink to your main website. Select the text or image and click the three dots again, and then click the link icon from the drop-down menu. After clicking on the link icon, a new pop-up window will appear. You will see the text that you want to link, and then you can paste the website URL directly in the link field. You can link either the image or any specific text in the signature. Then click the Save button. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the main Save button to save the entire template. After saving, it's always a very good idea to send yourself a quick test email to check how the signature actually appears. To do that, go back to the Sales Inbox page, type your own email address into the recipient box and a simple subject like Signature Test. Then click the Send button to send the message. Then open your email in your personal inbox and review the signature to make sure that it looks exactly the way you want to. You want to make sure it looks perfect on both your mobile phone and your computer screen. If you notice anything that needs editing, return to the Sales Inbox page, and you can kind of start from scratch if you need to. Click the Select Signature icon again and do the necessary changes that you want to edit. You can start fresh by selecting all of the content and clicking the Remove Style icon button to clear all previous formatting. This will reset the text to the default formatting style. This little trick helps fix any unusual text sizes or display issues that may not have been obvious before. Sometimes hidden code gets pasted in when you copy text from another document. After removing the formatting and fixing the errors, click the Save button again. Finally, send another test email to yourself and repeat the exact same process until the signature looks perfect the way you prefer. Once you finish testing, you will be all set to email your important clients. All right, quick and easy. That's all for this video. I hope this helped you understand how to create a custom signature inside of your workspace. If you want to get started with Pipedrive, don't forget that link in the description to grab your 30-day extended free trial. It's really the only way to get a full month for free instead of the standard 14 days. And if you want to be a true Pipedrive expert, make sure to grab our free A to Z Pipedrive course while you're there. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.